I wanted to create a live here on YouTube, but my channel is so new and so little that I don't meet the criteria to go live yet. But I wanted to go live because I wanted to do a real-time video of me using these products and creating a face, a makeup look that is realistic and doable and something that you can wear every day. It's not over the top glammy glam. You could wear this to the office, you could wear this to school, you could wear this just because. So because I can't go live, we're just gonna film this in real time. First things first, I have a nice clean face. I'm going to put on a little bit of my primer. I am using the Tarte Base Tape, just a little bit. And really just kind of focusing the primer in the center of the face, like this. Easy. Now, my foundation shade, my regular foundation shade is called Mango, and then my brightening shade is Wheat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Wheat. Now, if you are not familiar with Mascara Beauty, it is a cream-based makeup line, and it really focuses on your skin and giving you a beautiful, flawless look with cream products. Now, with cream, the benefit of using cream is that it really does look like skin once it's all buffed in. So there is my Mango shade all over the face. Now I'm going to go in with Wheat, my brightening shade, and I'm going to place this where I want brightening. So under the eyes, kind of along the top of my cheekbones. I like that area to be a little brighter. Down my nose. Again, kind of like the center of the face here, this little T-zone. Just like that. Now I'm going to kind of wipe off this excess that's on my finger. I'm gonna take a blending brush, like this. I'm going to blend in my Mango shade first. And then I'm going to go and blend out Wheat, my lighter shade. You don't have to do two different shades if you don't want to do the brightening. That is totally your call. I'm going to come up here. We are only not even 4 minutes into this video, and I'm already blending in my foundation. Now I'm going to go with the same brush, and now we're going to do all the lighter shades. Another perk of using creams is that creams build up on each other super, super easily. So if you were to do all this and then decide, yeah, I do want a little bit more coverage here and there, it is not going to mess up the rest of your face when adding coverage to certain areas. Under eyes, I'm going to do these little patting motions and then blend out. But look, it looks like skin. I know that my oily gals, normal to oily skin, might be a little intimidated to use creams. Don't be. all you have to do is set your makeup. So now we're all blended in. Super easy, super quick. Again, we're only 5 minutes into this video and my foundation and highlight areas are already on. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, not a whole lot, just a little bit, just to kind of bring a little bit of dimension back into my face. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Indigo. And I'm just tapping my brush very lightly right into it. Right under the cheekbone. I'm gonna pat that color in. This just helps to accentuate the high and low planes of the face without looking, again, without looking overdone. Placing that color where I want it and then blending it out. Again, these creams just melt right into each other and make the blending process so easy. A little in my temple, through my hairline. Across the forehead. And I just want to make sure that there's no line there. It's nice and kind of blended and married into each other. Contour's on. Now I'm going to do a little bit of blush. We're going to let's take Summer Love. It's just a pretty soft pink. A little bit more. Those little baby hairs. Those baby hairs. There we go. Just like that. Now what I'm gonna do is, where's my pressed powder? I'm gonna take my pressed powder and I'm gonna dust this all over my face just to help set my cream makeup. This powder does not have, it's not a full coverage powder. So you can put this right over your blush to set your cream blush too. My eyes. You could bake if you want to. Like I have very creasy under eyes, so I like to bake under the eyes when I'm doing a fuller look. Now my makeup is set. I'm going to add just a little bit of a highlight. I'm not going to go in too heavy, too crazy. I'm going to use this color. Let's see, what is this? Glamazing, which is this one right down here. I love Goldie. I love her. But we're going to do something a little softer. Just right up there. Little nose. Just a little. Now I'm going to take my highlight And I'm gonna dust it right underneath the brow. Just to give a little shimmer in there. Now I'm going to take our bronzer, our powdered bronzer in Cayman. It looks light in the pan, but it does warm up even my skin tone. Not a ton of product, just a little. And bring it down my neck. Face is done. Our face is done. Now what I'm going to do is a quick little dust of shadow across the lid. And I'm going to use, I think I'm pronouncing this right, Rigoletto. Rigoletto? And I'm actually going to apply this with my finger. Now, because we used a cream foundation, set that with a powder, it acts as a eyeshadow base to hold your color put. Super easy. So now that I've got that on with my finger, I'm going to just take a clean fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into our shade. Let's see, we'll dip into Bubba, which is an awesome transition shade. It's just a warm matte brown, just a little bit of it. And I'm going to go right into the crease just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And I'm going to blend that out. No, there's no harsh lines. It's all nice, soft and blended out. I'm gonna take just a little bit of clear brow gel into my brows. I did a brow lamination a couple days ago into my brows and I am obsessed with it. Obsessed with it. I'm not even going to apply any eyeliner because the shadow itself is dark enough to not really need. I got a little smudgy right there. So I'm going to just curl my lashes. I'm sure my hand was right in the camera for that. We'll do a quick little second coat. This is my MAC in Extreme Dimension mascara. Hands down favorite mascara from the department store. Now I'm going to take another MAC mascara for my bottom lashes. This is the Extend and Play Giga Lash because it's got the tiny little brush. My lashes on the bottom are so thin and sparse that when I use a regular mascara wand, it just gets everywhere. Okay, we're almost done. I am going to dip into the shade, let's see, I think this is Desert Sunset, which is this kind of peachy pink right here on the lips. This is more of a glossy. It's not as matte. And there we go, guys. Our marker, our time marker, get my little nose ring, is just under 16 minutes. That included the intro explaining what we were going to be doing to the face. There we go. Super easy. One video showing you all the steps to a very simple look that you could wear anywhere, anytime, without looking over the top and overdone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots more to come. Please let me know down in the comments if there's anything else you guys would like to see me do, any looks you'd like to see me create. I am an artist for mascara beauty, so if there's any questions you have about these products in particular, let me know. I will make sure to do a little link down in the description here where you can shop these products that I used in the video. If you would like my personal help creating your own custom palette, I am happy to do that. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.